Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning and today we're going to be seeing how to create a word cloud in Python. So let's first of all understand what exactly is a word cloud. So the image you're currently seeing with a black background and some light text onto the screen is a word cloud. And this word cloud I have created from this collection of text. So if you want to represent any bigger collection of text with the image, and if you want to highlight on some of the words which are talked into the text, then word cloud can be a solution. And I have created this word cloud and it is a representation of the text, this collection of text. So what I have exactly done is I have picked some 30 comments from my YouTube channel AS Learning and curated them into a CSV file. After that, I have read that CSV into a data frame, then created a collection of text of those entire comments, and later I have imported word cloud and generated a word cloud from this collection of words. After that, I'm just simply doing plotting the word cloud and showing it onto the screen with the help of pyplot from matplotlib. And if you want to save the word cloud, all you need to do is just wordcloud2 file, the name of the file and the extension of the file. So this is a very simple tutorial of creating a word cloud from any piece of text. So for example purpose, I picked the comments from my YouTube channel, and every time if you create a word cloud from this collection of text, it would give a somewhat different output. So let's see how it is done. So just try to compare this image from the one which will get generated. Yeah, so as you can see, now you have the similar kinds of words which are highlighted but into a different color format, right? In the previous image we had explanation big, but we didn't have excellent this much big. So as you can see that once you try to create a word cloud, it will change somewhat into its texture and color every time. And if you want to save the image, all you need to do is just wordcloud2 file, name of the file and its extension. So this is very handy when if you want to have any pictorial representation of a bigger collection of corpus, and it's really cool to show it to any newspaper or any search index or so. So it's really nice if you have a bigger corpus and if you create a search index in this form, and here we have all the links and the user can click on a link and get redirected to any such amazing article. So that's it with this video guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with all your Python, machine learning and AI friends, and stay tuned to AS Learning for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care, peace out.